Here's a look at the AGL feature of the PageTrack drone app. Right now the drone is flying over a pond, and then over a dam, and then over the field below the dam. See how the AGL gets higher? AGL is the distance between the drone and the ground at the drone's current position. Most drone software shows you the altitude relative to the takeoff point, not to the ground underneath the drone. Here we see the pond, the dam, and the field. Now we're going to fly from this low point onto the higher point. So our AGL is 174. The drone is flying at a constant altitude relative to the takeoff point, but the terrain is getting higher. So you see the AGL gets smaller. The AGL feature means you can fly into changing terrain and maintain a constant altitude above ground and hopefully keep from crashing into something.